In the fast-paced world of automotive repair, if you can't see what you're working on, the odds of doing the job right the first time are stacked against you. Proper lighting reduces the risk of mistakes, which can be costly and dangerous. It also helps technicians spot small but significant issues that could be missed under poor lighting. And proper lighting is vital for safety, enabling technicians to navigate their workspace without accidents. LED lighting has been a game changer for illumination in the workplace and at home. Compared to previous iterations of lighting, LEDs are brighter, more energy efficient, have longer lifespans, and produce less heat. This means not only cost savings, but also a cooler, more comfortable working environment. Let's talk about some of the latest innovations in LED work lights. Philips Experion 6000 LED work lights were conceived, engineered, and built for auto service professionals. The lineup of Experion 6000 LED work lights includes 6 handheld lights, 2 flood projector lights, an underhood extendable lamp, a wearable headlamp, a multi-dock charging station, and a Find My Device accessory. Every Philips Experion 6000 LED work light offers multiple light output modes. Your customers can vary the brightness to maximize the light output or lower it to extend battery life. Innovative features such as folding light panels, adjustable beam focus, and a hose spotlight lets technicians and DIYers put the light exactly where they need it. In a previous video, we talked about the 6 handheld lights in the Philips Experion 6000 LED line, comprised of the Experion 6000 UV pillar, pocket, slim, line, and pen light, all of which give your customers options for different tasks and settings. Let's talk about some of the newer additions to the Experion 6000 line. The Experion 6000 underhood light attaches to the car from both sides with an extendable mount and is equipped with motion detection. This powerful LED has multiple light outputs, and its 120-degree beam angle will light up the entire engine compartment. The Experion 6000 headlamp is a durable, headband-mounted work light that puts brilliant LED illumination right on the task at hand. Across the front of the headband, an LED light strip provides a broad beam of light of up to 300 lumens in boost mode and up to 150 lumens in eco mode. A spotlight mounted on the side of the headband provides a narrow, intense beam of up to 120 lumens. The hands-free motion detection feature allows users to turn the light on and off without touching it. Finally, there's the Experion 6000 Flood Audio and Flood Mini projector lights. The Flood Audio has a 1000 lumen floodlight and a 250 lumen variable beam spotlight and built-in Bluetooth speakers. The Flood Mini provides a 500 lumen floodlight and variable beam spotlight. Like the Flood Audio, the Flood Mini features a smart zoom knob that lets you go from a wide to narrow beam. Experion 6000 LED work lights are garage-proof, which means they're designed to stand up to impacts, water, and solvents. The Experion 6000 UV pillar, pocket, slim, and Flood Mini models are compatible with the Philips multi-dock station. The multi-dock station can serve as a central storage point. It can charge 2 devices at the same time, and it has dedicated spaces for Find My Device remote controls. With the Find My Device accessories, your customers can use the remote control to trigger an audible buzzer and a flashing light to find a misplaced Experion 6000 UV pillar, pocket, slim, or Flood Mini work light. Thanks for watching.